What is up, guys? I'm with my friend Bokomoso here. Say hi. Hi. And today we are going to the random show in South Africa, and we'll see you there. Peace. Bye. Guys, we have just bought the tickets. We're waiting in the lane, and we'll see now. If you see, there's a helicopter coming in right now. Guys, we're in the helicopter right now.
Yeah,
Let's power up. Yo, we're powering up.
Yeah, we're powering up. Like,
No,
dude, it's so cold.
oh, I started the engine now.
Guys, it started the engine.
Yeah. No, bro. Pedals.
There's other people here.
Oh, I'm pressing the pedal. Okay, let's go.
Oh, so guys,